Welcome to Vehicles Bro. In this video, we will talk about Chevy 5.3 lifter replacement cost. Replacing lifters is impossible without labor-intensive concerns. But if you want to serve your Chevy 5.3 into a beyond satisfaction outlook, a professional replacement could be a good idea. Well, it can cost about $1,000 to $2,500, depending on your vehicle. Especially the model and year of your Chevy 5.3 are going to decide how much you are to spend. Now, let's see the replacement cost of some different year model. From 1999 to 2001 Chevy 5.3 year models, lifter replacement costs around $1,000 to $2,500. For 2002, it's around $1,000 to $2,000. On the other hand, from 2003 to 2010 Chevy 5.3 year models, lifter replacement costs around $1,000 to $2,500. So, you can see that you need to spend anywhere between $1,000 to $2,500, no matter what your Chevy 5.3 engine you have. Hope you now got some idea.